What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Dogecoin. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point when we had this massive sell-off and had an immediate bounce to the upside. And as you can see, we have this breakout below these two support ranges. It was the supports from previous swing lows. And we had first range as a very good range of support, then we broke it to the downside. But with the good bounce from the traditional markets, crypto market also had this massive bounce to the upside. And on my previous video, I've told you that these ranges are still the main ranges of support. And I've told you that we should hold above the first line or above the second line in order to remain bullish. And for now, we are about to retest this range. And I will show you in my technical analysis what should we expect next. But for now, let's continue with the total sentiment for the market. First of all, let me show you that we are sitting at $1.71 trillion of total market cap. It is a 4.1% decrease over the last day. And we have next movement to the downside for the markets. Definitely it is not the good sign. And let me show you the Dogecoin numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $16.41 billion. It is a roughly 1% decrease over the last day. And the total tradable volume is $567.85 million. It is 12.76% increase over the last 24 hours. And this increase in volume with the movement to the downside is not the best fundamental sign. But I have to say that everything for now depends on the major news, on the global news, I have to say. And this news is definitely Russia-Ukraine war. And let me show you the most recent news. We are on NBCnews.com and this article is titled US says Americans should leave Russia, European Union to arm Ukraine. And let me go to this. As fighting continued across Ukraine Sunday, Russian President Vladimir Putin ordered its nuclear deterrent forces to be on high alert, ratcheting up tensions as the European Union made a historic move to finance the purchase and delivery of lethal weapons to aid the Ukrainian resistance. This is a watershed moment, European Commission President Ursula Gertrude von der Leyen said of the EU commitments. And let me show you another article. We are on NewYorkTimes.com and let me quote you this. The White House avoided a heated response to President Vladimir Putin's announcement that he was putting Russia's nuclear forces on alert, casting it as another example of Mr. Putin's move to imagine a threat and escalate the confrontation with the West. Officials were still debating whether to alert the status of American nuclear forces. But for now, according to two government officials, they were trying to avoid being lured into a spiral of escalation, taking the position that American nuclear forces are on the constant low level of alert that is sufficient to deter Russian use of nuclear weapons. At no point has Russia been under threat from NATO, Jen Psaki, the White House press secretary, said on Sunday after Mr. Putin ordered the alert. We have the ability to defend ourselves. Definitely this news gives a lot of fears to the markets, and that's why, in my opinion, in upcoming trading session for traditional markets, we might see huge storm on the markets, and definitely with the high correlation in between Bitcoin and traditional markets, we might see major movements for the crypto markets as well. And for now, without any major news directly related to Dogecoin, we have just two recent tweets, and these tweets about the donations to Ukraine. I have to say that it is really important to help these people because a lot of them are suffering right now, and it is really scary to have a real war on your backyard. And it is what it is. Unfortunately, it's happening. So And we don't have major news related to Dogecoin that might drive the price of Doge higher. That's why we have to keep an eye on the Bitcoin price action, and let me show you that for now. Basically, let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. And let me show you that for now we have 100% correlation in between Bitcoin price action and Dogecoin price action because of lack of news directly related to Dogecoin. And I have to say that Bitcoin has some positive signs because of this movement, and the white line represents the Bitcoin price action. As you can see, we have absolutely the same bounce from its lowest point, but instead of Bitcoin, Dogecoin has a lower low and Bitcoin has a higher low. So technically Bitcoin is more bullish than Dogecoin, and it is quite obvious because Dogecoin basically is a meme coin, and it should follow the market because it doesn't have enough steam and enough power to hold its prices higher. So it is what it is, and let me clean the chart a little bit. I don't need the Bitcoin price action right now. And what should we expect next? Definitely we still have these two major lines that might act as a support and resistance, and we have this sloping line as well, and we had this range as the resistance and support from these points. And I have to say that for now we are nearing the intersection in between these two lines, the range of about 11.97 cents and this sloping line. Definitely, if we'll have the bounce to the upside with the conviction of volume, we might see next leg to the upside. But everything will depend on the traditional markets and on the Bitcoin price action. So I don't think that it is a good idea to enter any of short-term positions with this asset. It is a pure gambling, and we have to see some kind of relief in the global markets, and definitely in the situation with Russia and Ukraine war. And I have to say that because of this, the only thing that we should do for now is to accumulate the position for the long term if you want to invest in this asset. So I think it is quite risky to do it anyways, but it is the only possible way to just accumulate the position all the way down. And for now, I don't think that I can project any of price action at the lowest point. I clearly see that we might have this range as our another support, but everything, as I already mentioned, will depend on the major news for the world. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!